You just found the 2024 Lincoln Navigator. Here's a bold and beautiful Navigator, the full-size luxury SUV that features modern styling, multiple driving modes, 3-row seating, expansive interior space, meticulous craftsmanship, and the technology you need for safety and connectivity. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, premium sound system, satellite radio, heated rear seat, 4-wheel drive. Feel calm and confident wherever the journey takes you in this exceptional Navigator. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.